Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video we're gonna be making 5 people create one header. So all of the designers are gonna get a role or a responsibility, I would say. So for example, one guy does the text, another guy does the background, and another guy does like the, I don't know, the touch-ups and particles and everything. But I will show you guys it. So let's just get straight into the video. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I hope you guys want, if you want to see more. And also, let's try to get 85 likes on this video, since you guys beat the last like goal, or not the last, but the one before that, which was 75. But let's try to get 85 likes on this video. I'll appreciate it a lot. So let's get straight into the video. And I will be leaving a discount code somewhere in this video for 10% off your order. And don't forget to join the Discord as well, and enjoy the video. All right, so we're gonna spin the wheel on who's gonna be getting what role. So let's spin the wheel on what people are gonna get. So these are the roles right here. So let's see what the first one is going to be. All right, so who's going to be background responsible? Let's see, hold on. Let's see who's going to be background responsible for this header. It's going to be... All right, it's going to be Zar. Zar is going to be the background responsible. All right, so let's spin. So the person who's gonna be text responsible, yeah, all right, so it's gonna be text responsible. Come on, let's see, it's gonna be Jarsky. Okay, it's gonna be Luciferbs. That is gonna be responsible for the text. All right, so it only leaves us to these 3 right here and these 3 right here. So let's see. So the guy is gonna be color correction. It's gonna be, all right, so color correction, rich. all right, so let's see who's gonna be particles and all extras. All right, so that's actually a pretty good one. So let's see who gets that out of these 2. Oh, okay, it's gonna be silence. That means Jarsky is gonna be responsible for character renders and add-ons responsible. So here are the roles for this design, and let's see how this turns out. All right, so I'm not gonna open it just yet, but we have gotten the first design, and let's see how it looks. All right, so this is the text done right here. To be honest, that looks crazy. Yeah, that's insane. I like this text a lot. Damn, that is clean. Yo, by the way, all the designers are going to be in my Discord. I'm gonna give them a special role. So if you wanna go check their work out or something, just make sure you join my Discord, and yeah, just whatever, you know, check them out. Cause this text right here is insane, bro. Hold on a minute, bro. I can't get over this. So he used like a chromish effect, I feel like. I don't know, but I like this. All right, so let's go on to the next person who did more than just the text, who did the background, or no, the character renders and stuff. So let's go. Since you've made it this far into the video, the code for today's video is gonna be UZO 2025 actually, for 10% off in my PayHip. So make sure you go use that code and enjoy the rest of the video. Here is the next, this is Jarsky's part. He's added like renders and little flames here. I can see this render here looks clean as fuck. The text is here. We got this. So he's just leaving a lot of room for other people to work with, and it's all good. But the next person is gonna work on the background, so we'll see how that goes. But right now it's looking pretty decent. I feel like, yeah, but no, there's more to be done, so it's all right. So it's understandable, but yeah, he added also like a flare in his eye. Looked nice. Yeah, no, this is good. This is nice. All right, so let's go to the background, to the next part, and let's see how he is done. Damn, this is clean. Oh, damn. All right, so he has added like this character render looking that way, this right here. He's added a little UZO text right here. I think he has changed where the text is originally. No, he hasn't. I'm tripping. And he has added, no, was that render there before? No, it wasn't. But yeah, that looks pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, now that looks clean. I'm not gonna lie, that looks clean. That's pretty fucking nice. I like the Yuzo text. I like this lightning coming here and here. And I also see some particles going on in the background. I actually like that. Yeah, no, that's clean. I like this. I like this. I like where it's going. So the next person is gonna work on some extras and stuff, I think. I'm not too sure, but yeah, we'll see. So let's go to the next person. So this is the Silence's part. Silence is actually a pretty good designer. I like his designs a lot, but this is nice. Oh, I could see some stuff going on. Bro, that's crazy. Hold on. What even is this, bro? That's crazy. No, actually, he made this render 10 times better as well. Bro, what? Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I think the next part is the CCs and all extra stuff. I'm not too sure, but this looks pretty great. I feel like there should be more small text going through like the header. Like for example, here I could do like graphics. I don't know. Like I'm just trying something right now, but like, look, you could do like something like this. I'm not gonna actually. This is not gonna be in the header, but I'm just showing you guys what I would do. I think so. Like this and flag. No, not flag is a wave. It might be. Just maybe like something like this. I don't even know, to be honest. Could add more to it. Just something like this. Like this looks really good right here, I feel like. Could also add like more space to this kind of, or change the font. I'm just showing you guys an example. I'm not really trying to do anything here. But like for example, like this. Yeah, so like that, and we could just add a little bit of outer glow here maybe. But yeah, you guys get the point. That's just maybe something I would do personally, just to add more stuff to it. But and then we could add like, see what I mean? Just something more like, you know, something that just looks nice. Some more extra stuff, I would say. But yeah, this is nice. Let's go to the next person, which is the CCs. And oh yeah, I think that's gonna be the final, the last person right now. So let's see how that turns out. Oh my god, that looks actually amazing. This looks pretty damn good, but you can't really see the render right here, but I think that's okay. It still looks amazing in my opinion. So this is the before, it's CCs, and this is after. I feel like it's a bit too strong though. So like, I feel like the CC should be something like this, maybe. No, maybe a little bit more. Like this. Because I feel like 100% is a little bit too strong. Well, yeah, I don't know, but it looks good. Yeah, I mean, this CC was really nice. How was this even? Yeah, no, that's pretty good. Not gonna lie, I like how this is, but I just feel like there's some stuff missing to this header. But it's a really clean header design. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this header design. I really like it a lot actually. But yeah, now this is the final header design. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, or did enjoy this video. I appreciate you guys for actually subscribing to me, because we actually just hit 16K not so long ago. So I really appreciate that. And if you want to be a part of videos like these, just join my Discord, and also follow my other like Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. I actually have another thing to tell you guys. So as you can see on my pay hip, I have a new pack called the Eclipse pack, GFX pack. It's free, and I also have this new Yuzo's PSD pack, which is all of these PSDs right here. You get for only $11.25. But I just want to let you guys know that I do have a giveaway active right now. If you just go on my pay hip and click on this giveaway, you get to the giveaway page, and this ends on 7th of July. So no, on the 1st of July. So yeah, make sure you go check that out. But I'm also working on a new pack that's supposed to be 3 or 4 or even 5 times better than the Shinobi GFX pack, which is my most sold pack right here. This pack right here, it's gonna be a better version of this.